Class 2, English 1, Chapter 3, Common Names and Special Names. Topic: Exercise A, given on page number 20, and writing skills practice through exercise let us write, given on page number 18. Good morning, dear students. Hope you all are doing fine and doing your work regularly. Before we start this class, let's have a quick recap of what we learned in our previous classes. We learned that naming words are those words that name a person, place, animal, or thing. There are many kinds of nouns or naming words. Here we are going to learn about two kinds of naming words or two kinds of nouns, that is common names, or it is also called as common nouns, and special names or proper nouns. Common names are words given in general to people, persons or places or things or animals. And special names are words given in particular to one person, place, animal, or thing. Because they are special names, they are written in a special way. We write them with first letter capital and rest of the letters in small. Now let's start today's class. So are you ready with your English 1 book? You will be doing this exercise in your book and then you will do it as homework in your copy. So let's read the instruction for this exercise. Look at the common nouns or names for different kinds of things. Circle the odd one out. One is done for you. The first question is done for you. You can see the circle on the word. Bare word is circled here. Why is it circled? Because all other words do not come under the animals category. They are all things, but bear is a name of an animal. Question number 2. Boy, girl, man, city, woman. In this question, boy, girl, man, and woman are the names given to people. But city is a name given to a place. So here city is the odd one out, different one here. Have you circled city word? Yes, now let's move to question number 3. So what are the words? Carrot, banana, grapes, apple, guava. Here, except carrot, all other words are the names given to fruits. They are fruits names. But carrot is a name of a vegetable. So here the odd one is carrot. So circle carrot. Question number 4. Bees, ant, duck, caterpillar, mosquito. Here duck is the odd one out because all other things are insects. So circle duck word. Now question number 5. Hut, rose, house, building, room. In this All other words except rose are names of big place where we live. But the name rose is a name of a flower. Now question number 6. Lily, marigold, sunflower, window, lotus. Here lily, marigold, sunflower, lotus, all these words are names of flowers. Window is a name of a thing. So circle window word. So we have done exercise number A. You have to do this in your copy. Now let's move to the next activity for next exercise for today, that is writing skills exercise given on page number 18. So let's read the instruction. There are some pictures you see. Look at the pictures and write a sentence about what they are. So here you can write some simple sentences like the example given here. You have to identify the names of these pictures and use those words in your sentences. So first one as an example is given here. Let's first identify the pictures here. So there is a policeman here, picture of a dolphin, picture of a bird, picture of a joker, and picture of a butterfly. So how do we say it? This is number one example is given there. This is a policeman. So one, we have used this example is given. So let's look at the next picture. What do you see? That picture is a picture of a dolphin. So how do we make sentence? How do we say it in English? This is a dolphin. So you have to write it in question number 2. You write this is a dolphin. Now look at the third picture. It's a bird. So how do we write it in sentence? This is a bird. Question number 4. This is a clown. The fourth picture is a clown. Now let's look at the fifth one and make it in sentence. Butterfly. So how do we say it? This is a butterfly. Here you have to remember, children, a sentence begins with a capital letter and ends with a punctuation mark. Means a full stop or a question mark. Here we are saying, so we have to use full stop. If we ask something, then we have to put a question mark. So how many sentences we made? 5 sentences by looking at the picture. So we made first sentence was this is a policeman. Second one is this is a dolphin. You can repeat after me. Third one, this is a bird. Fourth one, this is a joker. Fifth one is this is a butterfly. That's all for today, children. Do these 2 exercises in your copy neatly and revise it.